I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with Attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hi, Jordan. I'm happy to be here.
So today's question comes from Aaron. I'm a biker and was involved in an incident while I was enjoying some fall riding in the Berkshires with my girlfriend, who was my passenger. Now, she says she saw the driver taking photos while we were driving right before they swerved into our lane, causing us to go down. Is there a way to prove this? We are both banged up and the bills will be huge.
Well, I'm so very sorry to hear this, especially this time of year. From a motorcyclist perspective, and as well as the public in general, the fall is just about the greatest time of year. Unfortunately, it results in a lot of distracted driving. You know, when you slow your car down, you're taking photos, you're looking at the leaves. That's called distracted driving, especially if you're behind the wheel. So in this case, the object is to get copies of those photos and get proof, absolute proof that the operator of the vehicle was taking photos at the time of the accident. How do we do that? Well, number one, we could look to the police department. They may or may not pursue that claim because based upon the seriousness of the injury, it all depends. So I wouldn't necessarily count on getting the police department involved in that aspect. You know, at the Haymond Law Firm, we've been doing this for over 40 years. Our experience is that we would bring us a lawsuit and, in fact, be able to subpoena the camera and or phone records in question.
Okay, and I guess is it also important to figure out who exactly is at fault in this incident as well?
Well, certainly proving who's at fault would be an easier aspect. If the vehicle drove into the motorcyclist lane, the incident in the vehicles would be in the motorcyclist lane of traffic. That in and of itself, in my mind, would establish who would be at fault.
It sounds like the best thing to do is to call you guys, the experts, to really help out with this case.
Certainly would.
All right, well, thank you for your insight. And to ask the attorney your question, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND, or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.